Well, I think primarily they should look for someone experienced in handling either financial resolution cases or bankruptcy cases. And for the most part, the people who talk to you about resolving your debts are always going to include bankruptcy in the mix of things they discuss with you, because it just has a great deal of power to do so. You're going to want to find someone who's been here a while, who's been locally in your area. All the rules that affect credit, both in dealing with the bankruptcy court or in dealing with local creditors, is you're going to want someone who's experienced with the people here. You can go on the internet and see people from Texas or California, or for that matter, people who are from distant parts of this state who are trying to handle cases here. And I think that's a bad idea, because unless you know the local rules, unless you know the local trustees, unless you know the procedures that are followed here, the processes that go on here, you're going to be at a disadvantage. Our firm has been handling nothing but cases in the Triad for the last 22 years, and in doing so have developed a rapport with all the participants in the bankruptcy court, and have experience with what will likely happen. You want someone, when they're giving you advice, to be able to tell you most likely what's going to happen, and to do that really without a great deal of research, because then you know they're familiar with the rules, they know what's going to happen, they've seen it happen before. You want someone who has a long list of clients, because there's a track record for you to look at. And oftentimes, most of my business comes from referrals. People who've already been benefited from our experience, who tell friends and relatives that this is who you should get to help you do the same thing. People shouldn't fear going to see a bankruptcy attorney to get the advice. My office and many of my colleagues in other firms offer free consultations to where you can get the advice without having to pay anything. So the first advice that I can give everybody is take advantage of these free consultations. Choose a lawyer that offers a free consultation. If they're going to charge you for the consultation, that's a red flag to me, because they need to meet with you, they need to get your situation understood in their mind so they can know how to give you the best advice to go forward.